The show was great and it can be a sleep-inducing experience for those with a low attention span. They will assign you your seats so you won't have to scramble to find your seats. A very good experience, a local religious experience. It is an activity that will make you fall asleep, but those who are interested will want to experience the local folk customs. A very enjoyable show set in a historic building with a lot of information about Rumi and Sufism and plaques before entering the chamber. The service from Veronica was excellent. Quick communication and clear instructions made the entry effortless. Although I fell asleep for a while, it was still a very special experience. The process was very solemn and there was no applause in the performance. Unveiling the Soul of Istanbul, a cultural immersion at the Hodjapasha. Journey through time and tradition. Nestled within a beautifully restored 15th-century hammam, Turkish bath, lies the Hodjapasha Cultural Center. This captivating venue offers a unique opportunity to delve into the rich tapestry of Istanbul's culture. Witness mesmerizing performances and immerse yourself in whirling dervishes. Witness the mystical, be captivated by the iconic Whirling Dervish Ceremony, a UNESCO-recognized ritual practiced by the Mevlevi Order. Watch as dervishes, clad in white, gracefully twirl in a symbolic representation of their spiritual journey towards deeper understanding. Enhance your experience with a complimentary program booklet. It delves into the history, symbolism, and significance of the ceremony, providing a richer appreciation for this unique tradition. Stay refreshed. A bottle of water is included in your admission, ensuring you're comfortable throughout the experience. Unveiling the venue's history. Beyond the captivating performances, explore the beautifully restored 15th-century hammam. This historical gem stands as a testament to Ottoman architecture and its remarkable transformation into a vibrant cultural hub. A memorable experience. The Hodjapasha Cultural Center promises a captivating journey into the heart of Turkish culture.